Hi guys, I just want to show you how Apple is taking away from us a little bit more control of macOS in Catalina by removing some options of preferences. Like for example, here in preferences, in the versions prior to Catalina, there was an additional checkbox which said automatically download but install manually. This is removed here in Catalina in the preferences. Then the other point is I'm normally working with a user account that has only standard user rights, just for safety and security. What I suggest to everyone. And for updating or installing apps, it is necessary that you type in the username of a user with administrator rights and the password. And in prior App Store versions, you could configure it like so, that you could authenticate or grant access rights for a standard user for one time in the App Store. And from then on, this grant remained for the standard user forever. This possibility has also taken away, and the integration of the iWatch does also not work. Again, I'm logged in here with my standard user. Okay, I click update, and now App Store is trying to install new software. Use password or Apple Watch. I double tap twice and nothing is going on. This hangs forever. Use password. Tuck, tuck. Now this tiny little gap remains now forever because the App Store wants an authentication by a user with administrator rights, and I'm logged in as user with standard rights. And in App Store versions prior to the one of Catalina, it was possible to grant administrator rights to a standard user for one time, and then this has been keeping forever for the App Store. It's a function totally gone in Catalina, and it's super annoying that I have to type in each time my administrator username and its password, and you can even not authenticate the watch. I addressed this already several times to Apple, but of course I got no feedback. Bye guys.